Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, please subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post new videos. Today's video is for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, and it is day 3. The Dottie About Flair challenge is to use a stencil, so I'm going to do that. And make sure you check below in the video description for all the links of people that are participating in this month-long inspirational, oh my gosh, so wonderful, all the inspiration and artwork. So check those out too. So let's get creating. What I'm going to do today is some photos of my granddaughter playing softball. And this is her. So I'm going to cut these down to small photos, and this is her main one. And there isn't a main one on this sketch, but that's okay. I can make it work for what I have. And there's a long, big title at the bottom, stenciling in the background or some small pattern, and then the 4 photos here with photo corners. So I really like the sketch, and I'm going to run with it. Probably won't turn out anything like it. So what I did was I brought out some of the paper that I had that was splattered and painted and leftover inks from here and there, and I wanted to see what I could use, especially for my title, which I'm going to play with a turtle. I'm a dirt and diamonds kind of girl because she is such a little girl that she loves the big bows in her hair with the sequins and dressing up, but then when it was time to play softball, she didn't care how dirty she got, and she'd fall on the ground and thought it was just the best thing ever. So she's definitely a dirt and diamonds kind of girl. So I brought out this, and it has some of the gold with real pretty colors, real vibrant, so I could use this for one of my title words. That's not much of anything. This would really be good for the dirt. And that's not much. That's another stencil. Oh, this looks like a fence. So the diamond fence. So I could use this. Oh, and there's another one. I think I like the lighter one. So put that back. Oh, this orange kind of matches the orange in her shirt. So that would be good. Purple isn't really in anything. This is kind of the blue. And that shirt, really not, but I could use it. This is kind of red, but I could use it. Well, I don't think so. All right. Well, I got my Cricut mat out because I'm getting ready to cut. But I think this layout right here will work really good for the background. So that's all done. How easy is that going to be? So these are ones I can use to cut out for my words. And no. And there's the dirt. Oh, I really like this though for the diamonds. So we'll see. And then I brought out papers from the Sawyer collection that we had last month, and it may still be available from Close to My Heart on my website. It depends on when everything sells out, but some of the papers might still be available. I really like this soft pink for maybe my photo mats. And I like this zip strip because it has a lot of the colors. It doesn't have the blue I'm looking for, so probably not. This is too much of a teal. Oh, that I could use too. That's our harbor color, and it's got purple, blue, and yellow. Purple's not in there. No, I don't want flowers. No flowers, no flowers. Oh, there's a big sheet of that stripe. Oh, there's some harbor plain cardstock, and then white daisy. Alright, well, if I need the white daisy, I know where it is. So that's what I've got. And I'm not going to use a lot of embellishment because the title is going to be the big thing. And let's see what I come up with what I've got. I'll get my title cut out from these papers and then I'll be back. Okay, I cut out my title. I love how the dirt came out with all the, it looks like it's covered in dirt. And the diamonds, I added some more shimmer brush to it. I added flamingo, yeah. And I double matted the girl, and I did it in different fonts so that it really makes it pop. And I trimmed down the photos, and this is kind of the layout I'm going to do. So I'm going to mat them, and I thought I would mat them on this and do the same thing so it all looks like it goes together. And what else? Oh, these are from the Sawyer collection, and I just popped out a few of them that I liked. I'm going to use these as photo corners, and then the stars and the hearts. And I'll probably ink the edges. I may change the color of these because they really don't match, so I'm going to try and match them to that color. And let's see, anything else? Oh, I'm going to stencil some more on here. I'm going to do some white diamonds. I don't know if it'll show up much, but that's okay. You know, we'll give it a try. Oh, I also cut down this layer to 11 by 11, so I would have a 1/2 inch border around the outside with this pink from the Sawyer workshop as well. So this is what I need. And I'm just going to take this old pigment stamp pad. They last for a long time. I don't have my Close to My Heart one here, so I've got to use this. And I'm going to get a new sponge dauber because I don't have a white one used. So we'll see how well this shows up. And I just want to add a little bit where the color is to add some more diamond colors. I thought about embossing it as well with some embossing powder, but I don't think so. I think if I do anything else, I'll add some Stickles glitter gel to it. And I'm going to try and go along the border of where the photos will be, the outside border. Oh, I can see that. Okay, so it looks good. And if I put the Stickles glitter gel over it, then it will show up better with the white behind it. And I'll be able to line this up over top of these easily enough. Okay, I heat set my white pigment ink, and now I'm taking out the Stickles glitter gel. And I'm going to use this. I can line the diamonds up. Doesn't have to be anything precise. It's just the representation that I'm going for. That's really cool. I hope you can catch that in the light. Okay, I'm gonna go clean these up, then I'll be back. Okay, I cut down that pink piece and then I brushed the edges with the flamingo shimmer brush. So those are all ready to be matted with the photos. Now I heat set my glitter gel, and now I'm going to do the edges with the Harbor ink, and this will really make it pop against that pink background. Now a lot of times I will gut the paper, as you've probably seen in my videos if you've watched any of the other ones, but I'm not going to this time because leaving that paper solid behind this layer will give it something to, it'll give it some weight and strength so that the warping caused by the mixed media won't be as pronounced. So it'll help flatten the page, in other words. I really like how this is looking, but I think I need something to really make the photos pop. So what I did was I cut some diamonds with white daisy, and I'm gonna layer them on here, and that really gives them something that makes them stand out a little bit more. I did a big one for the large photo. Look at how cute that is. And then the bottom one as well. And I thought that adding some journal lines might make them stand out even better, and I was right, it does. So I'm going to put journal lines along all the other white ones, and I'll show you how I do that, because it's really easy, and it's, you know, just a matter of drawing lines on it. If I mess up, it's okay. I don't fret about it, because it's not supposed to look perfect. You could do it with a ruler if you really, you know, stress about it, but it's homemade. So I just take it and I move my hand down this smooth surface of my glass mat. It makes it really easy to drag and keep it straight. And if I put this straight along my Versamat, it's even easier if I don't have it crooked. Okay, so I think that's about all I have to do. So I'm going to put the layout together now, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. If I have any other things to add or change, I will let you know. The layout's finished, and I really like it. It's so cute. I added some stickles to the diamonds, or the stars and hearts that were on here. And other than that, I didn't do anything else. I added ink to them. I used Harbor ink to do the outside edges, just to give them a little more depth and dimension. But it's really cute. I really like how it came out, and make sure you check out all the other ladies in the description box for those following along with this monthly hop with Chrissy's Beautiful Life. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with another one.